Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. For example, if you try to update or install a new app in your iPhone iOS 17 and you see this kind of error in your App Store, so how you can fix that? So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after closing this page, the first thing you have to check whether you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold your Wi-Fi, and you have to check you are connected to Wi-Fi or not. And after that, the next thing you have to do, you have to turn on airplane mode for some second, and after that you have to turn it off again so that your Wi-Fi can be restarted. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router. And after restarting, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general. And in general, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset. And here what you have to do, you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. And after going back, what you have to do, you have to simply check whether how many devices you are connected to your Apple ID. And if you recognize any device which is not yours, then you can simply sign out to your account from that. And after that, the next thing you have to do, you have to simply sign out your Apple ID from your iPhone. After that, you have to simply sign in again. And after signing again, you have to simply check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to go to settings again. You have to scroll it down and you have to go to general, and after that you have to click on iPhone storage. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of App Store, which means here you have to simply click on all of your App Store and look for App Store. And after that, you have to simply offload your App Store. And after offloading your App Store, you have to simply go back and you have to open the App Store again and try to download the app. And if the problem is still there, then you can simply go for the Apple Support and ask for the solution of the problem. So you will get the solution of the problem in Apple Support or Apple Discussions. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.